Welcome to Code School, your go-to place for mastering programming and tech skills. Hi there, I am Pranadeep. In today's section, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL and Workbench for a better GUI. Let's dive into the section. First of all, open any browser. Here I'm choosing Chrome. In search bar, search for download MySQL for Windows. Here it is. Open mysql.com link. After opening in download, scroll down and see MySQL Community GPL downloads link, click on it. Next, click on the last link, MySQL installer for Windows. We can see the version is 8.0.39. Under this, there are two files you need to download. Second one that around 300 MB size. You can see this page that asks for login or sign up. And we can skip this by clicking on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started, need to wait a moment. Yeah, download is completed, just click on it and wait a moment. And you can see this page, just choose custom option and click next. Here you need to select few like I'm showing now. Click on MySQL servers in left box and click on MySQL server and MySQL server 8 and MySQL 8.0.39 and click on right arrow to move this to right side box. Do same like this to MySQL Workbench and MySQL shell also. We need to install all these three and click on next and click on execute. It takes some time to install these three. After completing, click next and next. Here you can see port number 3306, which is default for MySQL, and click on next. Leave it default and click on next. Here you need to type password. I'm typing my password and same here also, and click on next. Leave this as default and click on next. Now click on yes grant option and click next and click execute. After completing, click on finish and click on next and then on finish. A shell is opened and then this is Workbench. Minimize all the windows. Open this PC and C drive, then open MySQL in program files. You can see MySQL server, open it and open bin. Now copy the link and get back. Now search for environment variables, click on this. Under advanced, there is environment variables at bottom, click on it. Here you need to select path and click on edit. Now click on new and paste the link you copied before and click OK and OK and OK. Now open command prompt by clicking CMD in search bar. Here type MySQL version. You can see the MySQL version that shows it is installed into your system successfully. And you can log into MySQL here also. Just type MySQL -u -p and hit enter. It asks password. Just type password that you mentioned at the time of installation process. After typing, hit enter. See it get started. Now open the Workbench. Click here, it asks password, just type it. You can see the interface like this. click on schema, you can see the sys, which is database, which we are going to work on this. And this is where we will write all queries. You now have MySQL ready to start working with. In the next video, we'll dive into setting up MySQL, creating your first database and running basic SQL queries. It's going to be an exciting step where we get hands-on with MySQL. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Core School for more tutorials on programming and databases.